Hey guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So we have got a Toyota Fortuner to get it car headlight upgraded. So this was the old headlight which was there in the company headlights, and what we are going to do is we are going to replace a projector by removing the entire set, and we have replaced the projector with 130 watts. So let's go and check how the process will be done. Let's go and see the output on the real-time roads. So if you guys wanted to get a car upgraded with headlight projector, please reach out to RSCARPREMIUM.